Not long ago, a clean house meant hours of scrubbing and sorting. For a few early adopters, it now means sitting down while robots fold shirts and recycle water. We track down 10 innovations quietly abolishing manual labor. Devices that replace muscles with code and habits with sensors. Watch carefully. The future of comfort doesn't shout, it hums. Number 1. The Xenzo S-Ring. Every household task answering to a tap on your hand. That's the shift this small ring suggests. No lists, no reminders, just a quiet signal from your finger setting things in motion. Hands used to juggle everything. Phones, wallets, keys. You dig through pockets mid-call or pause work to swipe a card. Those little moments filled your day. The S-Ring condenses them into one motion. It handles calls through voice control, sends payments, and flashes alerts without reaching for anything. Its surface hides sensors and microphones, but its trick is subtle control. Unlock a door, silence a message, or trigger a playlist. Each task dissolves into gesture. This is the first sign of manual delegation, where the hand stops working and starts commanding. The next step leaves even that behind, the moment tasks move straight from thought to action. Number 2. Neuralink Brain Chip. What happens when a task doesn't even reach your hands? That's where Neuralink enters, turning the gap between thought and action into a wire-thin shortcut. Humans can juggle only so many decisions before fatigue sets in, but direct neural control cuts out every middle step. This chip reads brain signals and converts them into digital commands. In tests, thought alone moves cursors, triggers devices, and builds full sentences. No fingers, no screens. A future version could send an order or open a document through intent, transforming effort into focus. These early trials, mostly in medical labs, already hint at new labor rules. Work shrinks to a pulse of neurons instead of motion. Mental delegation overtakes physical delegation. From here, control moves from nerve to code, and soon, folding laundry will be someone else's specialty. Number 3. FoldyMate. Laundry piles once ruled weekend hours, rows of cotton and denim waiting for attention. Every fold took time, a slow rhythm of corners and edges that never quite ended. It became the symbol of domestic repetition. Then came FoldyMate, a compact machine built to treat shirts like parts on an assembly line. You feed a garment in, clamps grab it, panels crease it, arms tuck it into a neat stack. The process repeats with mechanical calm, like a pocket-sized factory running beneath quiet hums. This machine represents a shift from manual folding to scheduled automation, hand supervised rather than strained, watching a chore transform into a cycle of gears and timing belts. Laundry that once pulled hours now takes minutes, joining a growing league of effortless tasks. Next, even the air around you finds ways to clean itself. Number 4. Dyson Zone. Clean air used to depend on machines the size of furniture. You'd check filters, wipe vents, reset timers. Invisible dust meant visible upkeep. Now the unseen chore of protecting lungs becomes wearable. The Dyson Zone blends high-fidelity sound with air-purifying power, drawing in air through mini filters and sending a steady stream of clean breath across your face. No setup, no installation, just a quiet bubble of breathable air that follows wherever you move. It looks like headphones, but works like an invisible shield. The visor section channels filtered air, while the earpieces block city noise. Health maintenance fades into background function. Breathing turns effortless, managed by design instead of habit. And once humans stop even adjusting the air they live in, the next logical step appears. A machine built to move, lift, and work in their place. Number 5. Tesla bot Optimus. A humanoid frame lifts a box, turns, and sets it neatly on a bench. The motion looks practiced, like a worker following quiet rhythm. That's the Tesla bot, built to handle the same tools and distances you do, but without pause or fatigue. For centuries, machines replaced muscle, yet chores needing balance or grip still fell to people. Optimus changes that balance. It walks, steadies itself, and repeats simple human routines with coded patience. This machine fits the growing idea of the delegation economy, where a single robot learns household or factory patterns and performs them endlessly. Each arm movement or steady footstep removes one more reason for a person to strain. Physical labor turns optional, replaced by programmable motion. And as robots handle strength, new machines turn to the senses, reshaping how sight and communication unfold. Number 6. Xiaomi AR glasses. Travel used to mean phrase books, screens, and quick sketches in the air to ask for a meal or a street name. Each question became a tiny performance between languages. Now those steps dissolve. Xiaomi AR glasses turn your vision into the translator. Subtitles float where speech appears, mapping new words directly onto what you see. Navigation cues slide into the corner of your view, arrows guiding each turn without a single lookup. The lenses act like compact interpreters, shifting translation and search from your hands to your eyesight. Every phrase, sign, or direction filters through visual computing before reaching thought communication. Once a puzzle of gestures and guesswork becomes effortless and constant. And when even language requires no manual aid, attention turns to home systems that manage another resource, water, a world where conservation runs itself. Number 7. Hydraloop water recycler. Saving water has always meant checking taps, catching drips, counting every flush. Conservation used to depend on memory and a sense of duty. Now the Hydraloop water recycler does the job silently. It captures gray water from showers and washing machines, cleans it through built-in purification, and sends it back for toilet flushing, laundry, or garden use. Pumps and filters run on cue, recycling each cycle without manual effort. This machine turns the homeowner into a spectator of sustainability. You open an app, see the savings, and get back to daily life while the system handles the flow. The result is a quiet shift, environmental care that runs itself. Water once wasted now moves in a closed loop, measured and reused. And from the unseen pipes below, attention turns toward visible companionship above, where a digital assistant begins to plan your comfort. Number 8. Samsung Bally. A small robot ball glides across the floor, sensors scanning every corner. It pauses, pivots, and rolls again, quietly mapping the space like a curious pet on patrol. Before this, light switches, blinds, and security checks all needed a person's touch. Now, that same rhythm belongs to Bally. It roams freely, linking lights, cameras, and schedules into one moving hub. It projects images, manages reminders, and keeps household systems in sync while you do nothing. The clever twist lies in personality. Bally greets, tracks patterns, and reacts to mood. Robotic management softened by familiarity. Its movement feels like company, not command. Each glide becomes part of the home's routine, one sphere balancing warmth, function, and timing. Housekeeping turns into choreography, quiet and seamless. Next comes zero-gravity precision, where tools start defying weight itself. Number 9. Zero-G Gravity Pen. Why should writing depend on gravity at all? Traditional pens need it to pull ink to the tip, forcing writers to stay upright. But the 0G gravity pen dropped that rule entirely. Its sealed, pressurized cartridge pushes ink forward on demand, whether upside down, sideways, or in weightless air. Every line glides evenly, no skipping or shaking, even in places where normal ink fails. Its build stays sleek, balanced metal, a firm click, and a smooth feel that matches its precision purpose. It's proof that control isn't about effort, it's about design doing the heavy lifting. This pen honors a simple idea: remove friction until work feels effortless. By outsourcing gravity itself, it turns stability into a feature, not a struggle. And from this minimalist triumph, attention moves to clarity, where even screens begin to disappear. Number 10. LG Transparent OLED TV. Screens once filled walls, bright rectangles that demanded space and constant attention. Rooms were arranged around them, furniture aligned like a small theater. Every upgrade meant rearranging, rewiring, or mounting yet another heavy frame. LG's transparent OLED TV rewrites that arrangement. When powered off, it fades into the background, leaving only open air. Turn it on and images hover as if light itself became the display. No bulky casing, no barrier between wall and world. By blending in, it cleans visual clutter and changes how presence feels. The screen becomes part of the room's rhythm, not a distraction from it. Entertainment turns ambient, active when needed, invisible when not. Setup and teardown disappear, replaced by quiet transparency. And with this final touch, every device edges closer to the same vision: life managed, watched over, yet effortless to live. Humanity built machines to reduce strain, but now those machines are starting to choose when and how to help. The daily push for ease has evolved into a quiet partnership where effort is optional and convenience becomes instinct. Each invention hands back a fragment of time once spent on work. But comfort raises a question: how much control are you willing to trade for rest? As devices learn from habits, the boundary between user and tool blurs into one rhythm of automation. That will be all for today. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching.